Well, a man with an extensive background in telehealth and telemedicine will lead Marian University's new emphasis on educating future engineers. The university has named Dr. Binh Tran as dean of the E.S. Witchger School of Engineering. The school will open to its first class of students in the fall of 2022 and will offer a variety of degrees in the field, including biomedical, chemical, civil, computer, electrical, and mechanical engineering. And for more on the new school and goals, pleased to be joined by Dr. Tran and also Marian President Dan Elsner. Gentlemen, welcome to the program.
Thank you.
Good to be with you.
Yeah, Dr. Tran, welcome to Indiana as well. But Dan, I'm going to start with you. You have launched and initiated so many new things at Marian. It's really transformed the school in so many ways. New medical school, teachers college, a number of other initiatives. Why this focus on engineering?
Well, first of all, our board has a few strategic priorities. This is the top one. It's all in our big STEM initiative. If you understand the ecosystem in Indiana, we're a manufacturing state, biomedical engineering state. We have a great medical school. We're here in central Indiana. We see the need for diversity in the engineering field, and we're foursquare in it, and we found an outstanding national leader to lead the effort, a tremendous lead gift by the Witchger family. We're off and running, Gary, and it's going to stimulate a lot of growth here in central Indiana and beyond.
Yeah. Dr. Binh Tran, you come to Marian from the Catholic University of America in Washington, D.C. Give us a thumbnail of your background and really what interested you and what really made you approach and pursue this opportunity at Marian.
So I graduated with a mechanical engineering degree from the left coast, University of California, San Diego. And right when I graduated, I got involved in internships as a process engineer, a manufacturing engineer, test engineer, and then eventually an R&D engineer. And then, because of my interest in medical ventilators and cardiopulmonary biomechanics, I went and did my graduate studies at the University of Iowa. And eventually I made it all the way out to Washington, D.C. at the Catholic University. And we did a lot of research there in health information technologies. And so it was a very exciting research opportunity. But this new opportunity that's being started at Marian University really excites me. Being a founding dean of a new school of engineering starting from scratch and being an entrepreneurial effort really is something that is going to be a challenge, but it's something I'm looking forward to.
Yeah, talk about, Dr. Tran, your goals, your vision, some of the programs you really want to put in place and execute there at Marian.
Sure. One of the goals that we have, the vision that we have is that we're going to start an engineering program that is founded upon the Franciscan Catholic conscience, and we're going to build programs that serve the nation and serve the world and societal needs. And that comes from everything from biomedical engineering in the health field, all the way to chemical engineering and developing new vaccines and medicines, to computer engineering and dealing with issues like cybersecurity and some of these other things that are going on as well. And so civil engineering, the world is looking at a lot of needs for infrastructure, and so we're going to try and address some of those issues.
Dan, you've made the point in the past that your graduates stay and work in Indiana, Indianapolis, and throughout the state of Indiana. As you look at this new engineering school and the graduates that will be coming out of there, these are going to feed the pipeline, right? That engineering and that technical pipeline that really needs people in it.
I have two visuals. One, the pipeline's going to get bigger. We're going to have more engineers, and we're going to eliminate some leaks. There's a lot of engineers trained in the state of Indiana. Many of them leave here. We're going to very intentionally, and we've had a lot of great response from partner companies and donors. So, boy, I visited with an engineering firm just a couple weeks ago, said we'd hire 25-year graduates tomorrow. I said, well, it's not going to happen that fast. But if you're part of the pipeline, we'll put some in there. So we have a very clear strategy to recruit, develop engineers, starting with our work in K-12 schools, especially from diverse populations, get them here in Indiana and in Marian University, tie them to internships and companies, develop relationships, and you'll see investment from other parts of the country and the world come to Indiana. You'll see better paying jobs, and you'll see some great advancements in all areas of life. So we're very excited about it, Gary, and we're so blessed to be in a community that supports us the way they do. We've had record fundraising beyond even our imagination, and we have pretty big imagination here.
That's right.
And it's just been awesome. So we're ready to go and excited to get the word out.
Another major initiative at Marian University, a new College of Engineering, a School of Engineering at Marian, President Dan Elsner, and also the founding dean of the Witchger School, Dr. Binh Tran. Thank you both for being here, and we look forward to following your exploits.
We'll keep you informed, Gary. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.